So there's a lot for sale. There's an upland and there's also rice field. So it's 1 hectare and the price is 1.5 million. So it's only 3 minutes drive from the national highway here in Pilar. Careful, careful. So that coconut trees is included. Pila may ani basak te? Te bilay ani basak. Bana nimo.
Di man ko na ko ang trabaho nito ra pud na natumutan on.
Ah.
Ada ang tagian ito ra dito nahan.